here comes the ball!
Ice cube dropped. Time for the big stretch and slide.
Come on, you've almost got it. One more try. Don't let it escape. Yes, you did it, champion.
Easy there, big guy. It's just a tiny trim. You're acting like we're cutting the whole paw. Almost done. One more nail.
Is that your favorite ball in the whole world? I knew it. You're never letting that one go.
Look at you. That's the tiniest toy ever. Hey, easy there. You're acting like you won the lottery.
Who is this handsome stranger? And why is he copying all my moves?
Look at him, living his best life out there. What do you see happening outside the window?
Stay on the path. Stop jumping over the bushes.
You can just walk through. It's not a real door.
Enjoying the cool breeze on a hot day? Hold still. Don't drop the cheese.
Why are you staring at me like I offended you?
Good boy. Stay calm for your blow dry.
Stealing the entire spotlight on the sidelines.
Oh no! Did you really just walk over fresh cement?
Look at someone having so much fun rolling around.
Are you inspecting my mechanic work, assistant?
Stay still. Almost done with your paws.
You look so stylish in your star cone.
Hey there. Anybody home in there?
Hey, take it outside, you two.
Who could have done this? Did you do this? Look at what happened to the wall. Running away counts as a confession, you know.
Wow, you're a long kitty. I didn't know you could stretch that much. I think you've got the longest little noodle in town.
Wait, how did you even do that? How did you manage to get your head stuck in there? Well, mystery solved. You're free now.
3, 2, 1, go. Nice job. Easy, easy. That's perfect. Who's the best farm helper? You are.
I caught you. Gotcha. I knew you were playing around. Nice try. Act innocent all you want.
Let's see which crunchy veggie is your favorite today. Carrot first, nice and gentle. I think we have a winner.
He's sliding like a snow champion. That was the best snow slide ever. Excuse me. Who renovated the wall? Was it you? Look what happened to the wall. That's not a renovation, that's a confession.
Whoa! He's coming all the way inside.
He's eating everything! He's so close!
Easy, buddy. That's enough snacks. Come on, one little step at a time. That's it. You're doing great.
Run faster! It's catching up! I think you just challenged the fastest bird in town.
I won, I think.
Easy there. I don't think that cat wants visitors. Don't get too close. That cat isn't in the mood to make friends. Smart choice. Let's keep walking.
Hey, little buddy. Is that paw here yours now? No sharing today, huh? Okay. You win. Keep your tiny treasure.
Look who wants to play with their favorite teddy today. You've been waiting for this all day, haven't you? Okay. You win. The teddy is yours. Hey, little guy. You're not supposed to be climbing up here. Nice try, buddy. This isn't your balcony. See you next time, little explorer.
Hey, get down from there. That plant isn't your playground, little troublemaker. I knew I'd catch you guarding again. Hold on, little buddy. Where are you rolling off to? That's the fastest empty taxi I've ever seen. Case closed. Detective Kitty caught the runaway.
That's your bed? Really? If it fits, I sit, even if it's way too small. Perfect fit, according to you.
What's so funny?
Wow, look at those incredible antlers. Now that's the king of the forest. All right, Your Majesty, enjoy your walk.
Come on, Snow Rocket. Run this way. Look at you flying through the snow. Who's the fastest snow champion? You both are.
Fresh milk service is already open. Straight from the source, huh? Looks like you found your favorite cafe.
Look who's showing off today. Somebody's got happy feet.
Who's the good boy asking for belly scratches? Oh, that's the happy dance. All right, one more belly rub.
Look at that head twist. You're too cute.
Who's the smartest good dog?
That's my clever little buddy.
Whoa, somebody really loves that toy. Hold on tight, don't let anyone steal it.
Who's a good boy wanting some belly scratches?
That bowl is bigger than you are. Big dreams, tiny paws. Just watching the fish. No touching allowed. Nice try, detective. The fish stays in the tank. All right, little cleaner. Time to earn your treats. Yep, your assistant just showed up. Easy. Stay calm. Let's give our friend some space. There he goes. Nice and easy.
Ready, set, catch it if you can. No way. You actually got it.
Hey, that's my tea! Where are you going with it?
Peekaboo, finished your secret mission? Looking proud of yourself, huh?
Hang on, Captain Fluffy, we're flying.